Hey guys, I just went to the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum. It was like being in a flower paradise. So we hit up the Japanese garden. It's all about those Zen vibes. Like stepping into a chill Japanese oasis. The Arboretum is a place for everyone to stroll along winding paths, breathe in fresh air. Did you know that the rose garden here houses over 1,000 variety of roses, and they should be in full bloom in July? And here comes the majestic magnolias, one of the most ancient flower species on earth. The iris are currently in full bloom, stunning. The Arboretum peonies were popping with their vibrant colors. These flowers are straight up luxe and bring major fancy vibes to the garden. They are definitely in season right now, so hurry up if you want to catch some of this vibrant, exciting color. This structure called You Betcha, such a Midwestern thing to say. It's quite an interesting place to check out. Coming up is a lane of azalea, and it was amazing. These bushes were going crazy with their vibrant blooms. And we ended our day with some ice cream. Come check out the Arboretum if you have chance.